So what is the purpose of me telling you that insulin resistance or diabetes might actually be your body's way of protecting you? Hi, I'm Dr. Chalam, founder of Holistic and Integrative Center of Novi, the best place for you to find your best doctor, and that is always you. So remember I said when insulin, why do you have insulin resistance? When glucose comes into the cells, if there's too much of glucose coming in, either because of a poor diet or some kind of an inflammation or increased cortisol from stress, whatever may be the cause of increasing the glucose in the blood, a lot of glucose enters the cells. When it enters the cells, it produces a lot of energy, but each time it produces energy, it's going to produce what we call waste products or free oxygen radicals. Now, the free oxygen radicals can actually damage the cells. Further, the excess glucose that cannot go into the citric acid cycle to produce energy can become sorbitol, which causes swelling of the cells. It also can become fat globules, which also further swells up the cells. So the cells go back and say, don't allow insulin to act on us, because the minute insulin hooks onto its receptor, then glucose comes into the cell. We don't want any further glucose. But what is the purpose of you trying to understand that? Remember, when it comes to the treatment of diabetes, what do? We try to give people, this is type 2 diabetes, we try to give people more insulin. Your body is saying, I don't want any insulin, but then we're shoving that insulin on our body. The other thing we try to do is reduce the resistance to insulin, right? All of these medicines, whether it be metformin, whether it be Januvia, whether it be Byetta, whether it be Trulicity, whatever it may be, you're trying to reduce the resistance your body has naturally and innately developed against getting the influx of glucose. So is our treatment actually harming us more? This is a question we need to ask ourselves. So a lot of times I always say medications help you. When you come in with the blood sugar of 500, it's very important we get the sugar down so you don't get dehydrated and your brain is not struggling without food. But you also have to remember medications are not a long-term solution for anyone, especially if their health is declining. So you take medications and you're continuing to gain weight, your blood sugar gets under control, but then now you have high cholesterol, then you have high blood pressure, then you have arthritis. If your list of diseases are increasing and you're needing different medicines, we're completely missing the boat. We're missing the root cause of the disease process. That's one of the reasons I made this video on insulin resistance. First, to educate you that a lot of our disease processes are probably the body's innate response to protect us. And second, that medications may not be the only answer. We really need to dig deeper and find out why and what the body is protecting us from. Hope that helps you understand things a little better. I'm Dr. Chalam, founder of Holistic and Integrative Center of Novi, the best place where we help you find your best doctor, and that is always you.